Hello, my name is Kevin Brady. I'm a staff solution engineer here at VMware, and I'm the lab captain for the Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Basic Lab for VMworld 2021. In this short video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install Tanzu Kubernetes Grid using our GUI-based installer. Before I proceed, I want to make you aware of all the great content that we have around Tanzu at VMworld this year. Several different labs, as well as the VMware Odyssey Challenge. So take advantage of all this great content that's being provided at VMworld. With TKG, we provide a GUI-based installer with one installer that supports multiple platforms. So the same graphical user interface, regardless of whether that is vSphere, AWS, or Azure, which are the platforms that we support today. With vSphere, we support both vSphere 7 with Kubernetes and vSphere 6.7 U3 with TKG on vSphere. vSphere 7 with Kubernetes integrates TKG into the ESXi hypervisor and allows you the ability to manage that through vCenter, just like you would manage your virtual machine infrastructure today. With vSphere 6.7 U3, you're installing TKG on vSphere, simply like any other application. For our lab 2233-2, we've chosen to use vSphere 6.7 U3. As you can see here in the live environment, I've already gone through, for the sake of time, and populated all the steps that you need. There's 10 simple steps to walk through the GUI to deploy the management cluster on vSphere. This takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Once deployed, you will see that you have the management cluster running in vSphere. So if you switch into vCenter, you will see that you have a management cluster fully deployed within vSphere. Once you've deployed your management cluster, you will then go and deploy your workload clusters, which you see here. Again, for the sake of time, I won't be deploying them. With the deployment of the workload cluster, it's a very simple one-line command using the Tanzu CLI that allows you to deploy the workload cluster. Now, once your workload cluster is deployed, you now have to make sure that you can lifecycle manage that and upgrade that cluster. Upgrading a cluster is a very simple two-step process. First, I go out to the VMware website and I download the latest version of the instance for whatever operating system I'm using. Today, we support 2 operating system instances for the management workload cluster nodes. That is Photon and Ubuntu. For our lab, we've used Ubuntu. So as you can see on this command line, I'm doing a management cluster upgrade for the Ubuntu OS on an AMD 64 architecture, and I'm upgrading it to version 20.4. This operation will take between 10 and 15 minutes. And what will happen is I will migrate workloads, upgrade my cluster, and then complete. Once my management cluster's upgrade is complete, I can then go and upgrade my workload cluster. Lastly, you have the benefit of looking at managing and observing all your instances through a product that VMware has placed in the open source community called Octant. Octant's also covered in our lab, and with Octant, you get a graphical overview of your workload clusters. So as you can see here, I can go in and I can look at my deployment, replica sets, configuration maps, my pods, and my deployments across all my namespaces. Fabulous tool that allows you to get that graphical monitoring rather than have to look at logs. That's a quick trip through the installation and upgrade of Tanzu. The entire experience can be done by taking the 2232 lab, module 5, I hope you enjoyed this recording, and please take advantage of all the great Tanzu content that VMworld to share. Thank you very much.